Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Denuvo tried to revoke license Hypervisor error on PC. In this video, seeing before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 4 steps. Let's go ahead that first step. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem solve. Let's go ahead that first step. Restart your system. So you will go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then recheck your game. Still not working, then go to the next step. Uncheck Hyper-V and virtual machine platform. So we need Windows Future. So go to the Windows search bar and type Windows Future. You will click to open, then go to the inside, then unselect the Hyper-V and virtual machine platform. So here already virtual machine unselect the virtual machine platform. Again below unselect the Windows Hypervisor platform. Once it unselect, then hit the OK to close it. Then your problem will have solved this issues. Sometimes still not working, then go to the next step. Microsoft Visual C++ software update. This is most important step. So this link provided in comment section. Just you will click to update the latest version software. Then go to relaunch the game. Then your problem should be fixed. Sometimes still not working, then go to the next step, command promote. But Microsoft Visual C++ definitely work it. Just to try it, then go to the next step, command promote. So go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then inside paste this command. This command provided in comment description. So copy to paste. This operation completely successful. Finally exit. Then your problem it will have solved these issues. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.